Alright guys, in today's video, let's talk about Telegram. So Telegram is just like another universe. I told you guys this because this is one of the most mysterious applications I've ever come across. Let's talk about 8 different ways you can actually use this mysterious Telegram to earn some cash for yourself. Can you earn money with Telegram? The answer is yes, you can. So how can you earn money with this Telegram application? That is what we want to talk about today. So just stay with me. Anyways, do want to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates coming your way. This is a clear warning and a total disclaimer. The content in this video might be considered harmful or dangerous content. But note that this video is intended for educational purposes. I'm doing this video for educational purposes. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. That's a total disclaimer. And this is just to raise an awareness. Also note that any money online requires risk. If you're ready to take the risk, well, you can go ahead and start. And also note that there are affiliate links in the comment section and in the description of this particular video. And if you are to click on these links, I might earn a commission from that, but that does not affect the viewer in any way. You're free to do your own research before you join any platform that you find on my YouTube channel. And the content posted on this channel is actually valid based on the production date. All right, my people. So I woke up one morning and I was just going through somebody's Telegram channel and I saw something shocking. I saw an ad just like the one you're seeing on my screen right there. I was shocked. So I decided to click on it and it took me to another channel. I saw another ad and I click on it. I discovered that this is actually another method that Telegram channel owners use to make money. So the first way you can actually make money on Telegram is through owning a Telegram channel and monetizing that Telegram channel. Now, Telegram has decided to start running ads on people's Telegram channel and they pay the channel owners 50% ad revenue for each ad that people clicked on. And for you to actually access this particular opportunity, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers on your Telegram channel. This is good news for people that owns Telegram channel. So I was actually going through Telegram yesterday and one of my old time friends actually dropped an update right there for me, and I clicked on it and I went through the update. So the second way you can actually use to make money on Telegram is through affiliate links. Now you can decide to share your affiliate links on different Telegram channels or on your Telegram channel. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money on Telegram. I found a Telegram channel that actually offers to teach you about content creation, but when I clicked to join, they actually asking me to subscribe to actually join this channel. So I discovered that the third way you can actually make money on Telegram is through premium content and subscriptions. So you can decide to create a channel, offer your knowledge through that channel. Maybe you can create a course, but for people to actually access this particular course or for people to access this class, they have to subscribe to your Telegram channel with a fee. Premium content is another way you can actually use to make money on Telegram. And so a few days ago, I made a video about a Telegram bot that can help you to earn some cash by clicking on ads and the rest. So the fourth way I think you can actually make money on Telegram is by developing and running Telegram bots. So if you have this knowledge to develop this Telegram bot and run it, you can monetize this bot and you can use it to actually make money for yourself, guys. The next method you can actually use to make money on Telegram, my stories are finished, that you can actually use to make money on Telegram is through participating on tax-based programs. For example, there is a platform called Jump Tax and other platforms that offer you the opportunity to carry out some micro jobs on Telegram and actually get paid. They can tell you to join Telegram channels, join Telegram groups, use Telegram bots, and they pay you for carrying out those small micro tasks. This is a legit way to make money on your spare time. This does not mean that this money is going to make you rich, but this is just a legit way to earn extra cash on your spare time. Before I go further, I want to tell you guys that one of the best ways to earn money online is through owning an online skill. I've been preaching about this for the past 1 month now, which is the truth. You understand? That is the truth. What are some of the best online skills to learn? You understand? I told you guys that there are a lot of online skills you can learn right now that can fetch you money, like coding, you understand, copywriting, you understand, video editing, and so many other skills, even content creation. If you're interested and you want to learn an online skill like video editing. I'm actually going to drop the link for you below so that you can actually check it out. If you're interested, you can actually give it a try. Do you know that you can actually create apps on Telegram? That is so shocking, guys. There is an app inside Telegram app. That is so shocking. Utilizing Telegram mini apps is the sixth way you can use to make money on Telegram, because with this method, you can monetize that your mini app on Telegram. You can customize it through affiliate. You can also make in-app purchases with this your Telegram mini app. So if you can actually develop a Telegram mini app, you can use this method to actually make money for yourself. All right. I believe most of you played Tap Swap. Tap Swap, you were tapping your phone. Hamster Combat, you were combating, and other games on Telegram. So the seventh way to make money on Telegram is by joining crypto-based games. There are a lot of games on Telegram that you can play. So there are a lot of Telegram games you can actually join, and most of these games actually pays in crypto. You can join some of these games and they actually pay. Some of them don't work. Yes, some of them don't work, but some of them actually works, like the ones I've seen, like Hamster Combat, like some other ones that actually works. But this actually requires a lot of time. Most of the time it requires a lot of time for you to actually play these games to actually make a significant amount of money. But it's actually a good way to make money online in your spare time, especially if you're doing something fun just with your smartphone. If you're a shop owner, come close. If you own any product, come close. If you're selling any product, come close, because with Telegram, this is another way you can use to start selling your product or services to people, and you actually get paid. It's very, very simple. You can use your Telegram channel, your Telegram groups, because of the ability to contain a lot of people, because I believe a Telegram group can contain over 200,000 people. If you have this amount of people in your Telegram group, this is an opportunity for you to start selling your product. If you have any product to sell, you sell your product, you sell your service. For example, if you have a video editing skill and you have people in your groups that need this skill, you can sell your skill to them. Tell them, hey, this is what I do, this is what I offer, and I actually offer this for this amount of money, and they pay you because you actually have a skill to offer, or you have a service to offer to them in exchange for money. So these are the 8 ways you can actually use to make money on Telegram. Telegram is a very, very big and mysterious app. Guys, before I go, let me give you guys some tips. Please, if you are joining Telegram for the first time, please be very, very careful. Make sure you secure your account, turn off groups invite. For example, turn off the option that people can actually invite you to join different groups, because this actually teach me a lesson in a very hard way. Somebody added me to a particular group, they scammed me. I learned in a hard way. So if you're joining Telegram for the first time, be very, very careful. And do you think there's any other method on how you can use to make money on Telegram? Just let me know in the comment section.